The cards are dealt, the stakes are high. In the aftermath of shattered trust in big banks, you're wise to reconsider your strategies. And when it comes to your money, you're not just playing to win, you're changing the game itself. Real gold in your IRA? Now that's a power play. But what makes the elusive Gold IRA an ace up your sleeve? What sinister ministries shroud its origins? Well, fear not, for today we'll navigate this landscape of intrigue, separate fact from fiction, and equip you to make the final fateful call. To fold or go all in. This is no casual Sunday poker game. Today, we play for keeps in the ruthless arena of the Gold IRA Showdown. In the aftermath of bank failures that rocked the nation, you're reassessing your moves, reevaluating your strategies. And when it comes to retirement savings, you're not just playing the game, you're changing it. Starting with the Gold IRA accounts. But what makes a Gold IRA the ace up your sleeve? Well, hold on to your pants because we're just getting started. Introduced in the 70s, the Individual Retirement Account, or IRA, hit the investment scene like a high roller, a way to save and invest for retirement while dodging taxes on investment gains until retirement. That's a winning hand. Even though IRA accounts have smaller annual contribution limits than their 401k counterparts, they're holding more green. And with the advantage of being able to be funded with rollovers from other retirement accounts, they're a force to be reckoned with. But the real deal? The variety of investment options. From real estate, private equity, to gold and silver, with self-directed IRAs, the sky's the limit. So where does the Gold IRA fit into this high-stakes game? Well, buckle up because you're about to find out. A Gold IRA isn't just an IRA. It's an IRA with real, tangible gold. Administered by an IRA custodian, it's an investment option that's as solid as the precious metal it's named for. By working with experienced Gold IRA custodians, we ensure that our customers find custodians who can manage their Gold IRAs like pros. But how do you fund a Gold IRA? We're about to lay all the cards on the table. Just like any other IRA account, a Gold IRA can be funded with pre-tax dollars or post-tax dollars. Funded with pre-tax dollars, the traditional Gold IRA is the tried and true player in the game. With tax-free asset growth and possible tax-deductible contributions, it's a potent contender. Stepping onto the scene with post-tax dollars, the Roth Gold IRA is the wild card of the game. With no required minimum distributions and tax-free growth and distribution, it's a game changer. But now that you've met the main players, let's introduce the rest of the pack. From the SEP IRA, the Simple IRA, to the Inherited IRA, then the Rollover IRA, and the Self-Directed IRA, each variant has its own set of strategies and rules in the game. Now, ready to roll the dice and roll over funds to a Gold IRA? Let's make the final call. The decision is in your hands. Whether you're looking for an easy way to move a 401k to a traditional Gold IRA, or you love the benefits of a Roth conversion, we're here to help you navigate the path to your very own Gold IRA. With over $2 billion in precious metals placements, 5,000 five-star reviews, and a team of experienced Gold IRA custodians, we've got your back. And thousands of your fellow Americans have already made their move. Right now, in the world of Gold IRAs, Goldco is dealing you a winning hand. That's why they're offering to ship you a free Gold IRA kit FedEx straight to your door. And it reveals a treasure trove of wisdom and strategy for your Gold IRA journey. Believe me, if you've even got a spark of interest in a Gold IRA, you're going to want to grab this golden opportunity. This isn't just a kit, it's a roadmap to the world of Gold IRA, a masterclass in a savvy investment. Armed with this knowledge, you're not just going to survive, you're going to thrive. So are you ready to grab your free Gold IRA kit? Simply click on the link below or give Goldco a call today. Make your move, seize your golden opportunity. Tap the link below now.